It's touted as one of the biggest sporting events in Nakuru, second only to the Nakuru Tens, another rugby event which is also held annually. It's only 11 in the morning and the car park is full, and it's evident more are still expected. The stands are already packed to the rafters and a carnival atmosphere electrifies the venue. All eyes riveted to the pitch. Other fans looked for alternative means to watch the action. Some more enthusiastic than others. Many came for the social aspect as well. The large turnout of fans was also good business for some of the entrepreneurs who were keen on making a killing.
And I can't complain about the business. We're doing good.
The Kenya Rugby Union grounds is expected to receive a similar turnout of fans, if not more, this coming weekend when the local 7 circuit heads to Nairobi for the Kabeberi Sevens. Bernard Ndong for Citizen Sport.